Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you how to change the language on Cash App. First, go to your phone settings. Use the search bar to look for language or language and region settings. Tap on language and region. And here, you'll see your current phone language. Cash App uses your phone's primary language by default. To add or change a language, tap Add Language and choose the language you want. Once the language is added, press and hold the three lines next to it and move it to the top of the list. The language at the top becomes your preferred language, and Cash App will automatically display in that language. And that's it. That's how to change the language on Cash App. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.